Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python module which can actually style your terminal output with colors and underline. So if you are building some kind of a terminal application inside Python, this can significantly improve the readability of your terminal. Let me show you the example here right here. If I execute this script here, you will see you can have output inside your terminal in different colors. You can highlight your output by having a background color. You can change the text color with these different colors. You can underline, you can make the text bold, capitalize the text. So there is this package here. It's an open source package inside Python. If you search for this, it's called as yachalk. This is actually the package y w a y a c h a. This is the package here. So with the help of this package, you can style your terminal output with different colors right here. So once you install this, let me show you how to do this. So first of all, you need to import this package, and from this you just need to import the chalk method. And then if you want to print something on the console, by default if you print this, you will see the basic output will be in black and white color, which is by default. So if you run the script now, you will see the hello world will be printed out like this. But if you want to change the styling right here, you can actually use this module, and it contains this all these colors you can use. Let's suppose I want the output to be in blue color, and now the same hello world message will now be appearing in the blue color instead of the, you will see that. So this is the very basic thing about this package. You can style your terminal, you can combine different colors. Now you can see we are using blue and red color in combination, and you can see that. So you can style each and everything about your terminal output like this. So you can compose multiple lines as well. So if you have multiple lines, you can even write like this. So you will see that it will appear like this. And if you have numeric input, if you want to print out numbers, you can do like this. You can bold, you can capitalize certain words, you can highlight them with background color. Everything is there. So you can check out this module and their documentation. It's great. And also we can underline text as well by using this underline method. So you can see we have this underline method for every color. Underline, and then we can use whichever color combination. So for each color combination there is a specific method inside this module, so you can use this. So this is actually the package, guys. You can check out their docs and read more about it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.